welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Monkey app. So first thing you have to do is go straight to your Play Store or your Apple Store and open it up. And you're going to click on the search bar right below your screen. And once you click on that, you're going to search for Monkey app, right? And click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see the app and you're going to click on install, and it's going to start installation immediately. So once it's installed, you can now start using the app on your phone. Yes, so that's literally how to install the Monkey app on your Android phone or iOS. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.